So first up, I'll be moisturizing my face with the Maybeline Cream Concentrate Moisturizer. And I'll be going into the e.l.f. Putty Primer. I really like this primer, guys. It helps control the oil on my face, and it also helps to, you know, blow out the pores on my skin. That I'll be color correcting with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Orange. So with areas you have like spots, it's always better to like spot correct and just concentrate that product, that corrector in that area. Don't even move it around, don't bother to blend it around, just concentrate that product in that area. That's the only way you can get a full coverage. A new method I just like to do is to go over that, all those orange spots, and just cover it, like mask it with my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. So the reason why I do this is because I want to cover up the orangey a bit, so when I apply my foundation doesn't appear orange. So I find this works for me, and also it gives a better coverage, a more fuller coverage. So this is just a damp beauty sponge, and I will just use that to just press that into my skin, just blending out the edges. So with this, it looks like I've created another skin on my face. So now we can go into the foundation. I'll be using the 24-hour Stay Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, and I'll be going over with my e.l.f. foundation brush. As you can see, it's very dense. It's not dirty, it's just stained, guys. I washed all my brushes, but this just refused to come out. I don't know why. Now that it's done, I'll just be going into my damp beauty sponge and just pressing that into my skin. This helps to just blend out any streak that the foundation brush has done on my face. Can you see that? Now, if you notice, I didn't apply the foundation directly under my eyes. Reason why I do that is because lately I've been having loads of creasing and, you know, lines under my eyes, and I realized that anytime I apply so much product there, the product just sinks into those fine lines and it's not a good look. I'll just be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. But as you can see, I'm not still applying it directly under my eyes yet. I'm just going to blend it upwards. Now, I usually like to wait for the LA Girl to become a bit tacky before I blend it upwards. So while we wait for that to dry, I'll just go over to my contour stick now. So I'm using the black Opal Stick Foundation in Suede Mocha. So down my jawline to give it a more chiseled look. So down the bridge of my nose. I won't be applying on my forehead because, as you can see, I have my frontal on. I'll just be taking the excess product and I'll be applying that in. I'll be starting out with my nose contour because I find out that dries. When that dries, it's always usually hard to blend. Using my Real Techniques face brush to blend out my contour. Is all done. I'll now be going back into the beauty sponge and I'll be blending the concealer out. I will now blend upwards, and I usually just like to take my eyes up to get into those lines properly. I'm just going to take the excess above. Some people can leave it like this, but I usually like to take it a step further. So I'll now go into my e.l.f. Camo concealer. This is a lighter shade of concealer because I really want to emphasize under my eyes. So I'll just put a tiny little bit here. Can you see what that does? It just makes those areas pop even more. XXRevolution chocolate banana powder, and I'll just be setting those areas immediately because we don't want it to crease up. So I'll just be sweeping under my eyes because I don't want to leave the powder too long because it will now start to make my eyes dry and we don't want that. So I'm just using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in dark and I'll just be cleaning that up. Bronzing my face around the perimeters of my face, and I'll just be using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in dark deepest. So I just usually like to apply the same bronzing shade down the bridge of my nose. And I just take it up to my brow bone area. Usually just like to use the certain brush to just blend that in to kill any harsh line, really. I'll now be doing my reverse contour because I want a more chiseled look. I'll be going over to do my brows. Guys, I have a detailed brow tutorial on this channel. I'll be linking that up here, so or here. So please feel free to go and watch it. I broke down how I do my brows, and yeah, in order to speed things up, I'll just go and do my brows and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. So I just went off camera to go and do my brows. I'll be going over to do my eyeshadow. So yeah, before I do that, I'll just be setting my face with some setting powder to catch any eyeshadow fallout. Okay, so I'll be applying the same pink, this pink shade right here with a blending brush. Now I'll be going into this light pink one here with the same brush. I'm just tossing that on my brow bone to just blend everything together. Hence what I'm doing. I'll be going in with this pink BH Cosmetic glitters right here. It's pink and I feel it's really gonna complement the look. Just using my NYX Cosmetics glitter glue. Just because I feel like darkening the colors a bit, I'll be going into this dark purple right here. So now I'm done. I just went off camera to do my eyeliner. So I'll just be applying some mascara on my lash. I'll just be taking this hot pink shade now under my eye. I'm taking the purple shade so I'm just using the black paint, the black gel liner in. Yeah guys, so I just went off camera to apply my lashes and just took off the scarf off my head. Just be applying my blush. So my blush brush, I'll just be using this. I'll be mixing these two shades right here. Just be applying that on the apples of my cheek. Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Just let that sink in. Just be applying my highlighter, and I'm using the Maybelline Face Studio Chrome Extreme. I just like to apply a bit just to give me more of like a radiant look. I usually like to just take my powder brush to just blend everything in. Okay. All right, diamonds, let me just go and do my hair and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back. I just went off camera to do my hair, so now I'll just be lining my lip and we'll be calling this look a day. Using the MAC, let me if this will focus. Lip liner in Chestnut. Using my concealer as the perfect nude shade, so I'm just using my MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NC45. I'm feeling this matte look, guys. I don't know if I should top it up with a gloss. I feel like I'm over the matte looking lip now. I just love a glossy lip, and I'm so tempted to like top this thing up with a gloss, even if I'm feeling this matte look, but I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm gonna top it up with a gloss. I'll just be using this transparent lip gloss from Rimmel London, and this is the lip gloss in Oh My Gloss. I'm gonna be topping this up with my Nyx Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie, just to highlight the middle part. And this is the finished look, guys. What do you guys think? I'm feeling this look is beautiful. There's a beautiful transformation. This is a look you wear on a date night, you wear to a party, to a wedding, to a dinner, and you look so glamorous and put together. I'm loving the glitters. It's been a while I've used glitters and I'm not mad at this at all. It's just beautiful. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. So yeah, this is my party glammed up night out look. What do you guys think?